Okay, in this question, we are actually finding the speed of the travel of this particular flight. Okay, we're given the points A, B, and C, and given the information. So in the first step, we are told that in 15 minutes, we actually force the plane to move 16 km westwards. So the wind speed, actually we can say that in 15 minutes, it travels 16 km. So in 1 hour, it will travel 4 times 16, which is 64 kilometers. Therefore, the wind speed is simply 64 kilometers per hour. Part B. I want to find the speed of the aircraft in still air. Okay. So based on the diagram, we can use the Pythagoras theorem, which is a distance traveled square. So the distance is actually 63 km based on the Pythagoras theorem by simply taking the square root of 65 square minus 16 square. Therefore, in 15 minutes, the aircraft has actually traveled only 63 km. So in 16 minutes, you will have traveled 4 times 63 km, which is 252 km per hour, which is the speed of the aircraft. Part C. We are trying to chart the course of the pilot such that he's able to reach point B, which is the required destination, 100 kilometers away. So by plotting a simple diagram, which looks something like this, and the point P here, which is actually a similar triangle to what we see on the diagram. So firstly, I find the angle of angle CAB first, which is what the aircraft actually ended up in that direction of. So by using simple trigonometry ratio, which is sine of that angle, we get 16 out of 65, which comes up to 14.25 degrees, corrected to 2 decimal place. So using that, we can find that the length of AP with the same angle here is actually 96.923 kilometers. So in other words, we just need to find the time taken to travel this distance from A to P, which is 96.923 over 252, which is the speed, giving us 5 out of 13 hours. So we just need to convert this to minutes, which is 5 out of 13 times 60, which gives us 23.076, and therefore approximately equals to 23 minutes corrected to the nearest minute. So to chart this flight, he should be setting 14.25 degrees east of north, and it will take 23 minutes to reach B. Thank you.